Welcome to the demo class of this online IELTS coaching module by KC Academy. In this short but power-packed video, I will guide you through the nuances of the IELTS test and online coaching. I am Ashay Ghadge, your IELTS faculty. I have 7 years of classroom teaching experience with hundreds of success stories across China, Thailand, and India. I am the expert for IELTS, TOEFL IBT, PTE and Duolingo English Tests here at KC Academy. So, let's start the class by taking a brief look at the benefits of online education. Online education is student-centered. Every student has his or her way of learning that works for them, and online education caters to this. It is flexible. You can attend classes and courses anywhere with a computer or a mobile device and access to the internet. It is accessible. Online course materials can be accessed 24 hours a day, every day. In online education, students control study time. Students may not have to sit for long periods of time. Lessons can be paused when needed and notes read at will. So what exactly is IELTS? It is an abbreviation for International English Language Testing System, an exam which opens doors for entry into international universities and job opportunities across the globe. With more than 3 million test takers annually, more than 10,000 organizations accept this score. It has worldwide recognition for education and employment. In short, the world says yes to IELTS. The exam is co-owned by Cambridge English Language Assessment, the British Council, and IDP Australia. It grades candidates on a band scale from 1 to 9. The scores are valid for 2 years. You can appear for the exam across India in 50 plus locations. The exam fees are 14,000 Indian rupees. There are two types of IELTS: academic and general training. Your aim behind going abroad will decide which type is best suited for you. The main purpose to appear for the academic IELTS test could be entry to a university or college or professional registration. This test reflects some key aspects of the everyday academic language. It assesses whether you are ready to begin studying or training in a university abroad. Appear for the IELTS general training if you are going for immigration or vocational secondary education, language training, or work experience. This will be an assessment of survival skills in a broad social and workplace context. It is also a requirement for migration to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. The test is divided into 4 sections. I will start with a brief overview of all of these and then a general introduction to these. The listening module is made up of 4 parts of approximately 40 minutes. You also get 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. The reading module has 3 sections of 60 minutes. There are 5 unseen texts for the general training candidates and 3 unseen passages for the academic IELTS candidates. The writing module has 2 sections of 60 minutes. Section 1 is a letter for general training candidates and an academic report for the academic IELTS students. Section 2 is always an essay. Speaking module is made up of 3 sections of about 15 minutes. The sections consist of general introduction, a cue card topic, and discussion questions. Let us continue with the brief details of each of these sections of the IELTS. The listening module is a 30-minute session with headphones. It has 4 parts with 40 questions. These are real-world listening situations. The listening test generally follows this format. Part 1 is a conversation between 2 speakers. Part 2 is a monologue. Part 3 is a conversation between up to 4 speakers, and part 4 is a lecture. The reading module is a 60-minute session. There are 3 reading comprehensions with 40 questions. The texts are taken from books, magazines, journals, and newspapers. The question types generally include finding detailed information, identifying attitudes and views, complete a diagram, flowchart, or a process, and multiple choice questions. The writing module is made up of 2 tasks of 60 minutes. In the first task, you need to write a descriptive report of a table or a diagram or a letter in 20 minutes depending on your exam type, and you have to write a minimum of 150 words. Task 2 is worth 40 minutes, and here you are required to write a 250-word essay in response to an opinion or a problem. Here you need to discuss issues, construct an argument, and use the appropriate tone and language. The speaking module is a face-to-face interview between one candidate and one examiner. It lasts for 11 to 14 minutes. In part 1, which is 4 to 5 minutes long, introduction and interview takes place. Part 2, which lasts for 1 to 3 minutes including the preparation time, is known as the long turn. And part 3, where the discussion topics come up, lasts for around 4 to 5 minutes. IELTS has a marking system of band scores from 1 to 9. But what do these band scores mean? A score in the range of 1 to 4 means your English language skills are limited. That is, you're either a non-user, an intermittent user, an extremely limited user, or a limited user. However, if you have had a background in English education, you can expect scores in the band range of 5 to 9. That is, a modest user, a competent user, a good user, a very good user, or an expert user. English-speaking countries will allow you to enter only if you score in excess of band 6. While scoring bands 5 to 6 is possible for an average student, getting a 7 and above will make all the difference between a success story and a not so successful experience. This is where KC Academy will help you. With our expert guidance and real-world tried and tested techniques and strategies, we will help you in your transformation from a band 6 to a band 9 user. We have a proven track record with consistent high scores. We continuously review and update our teaching strategies and materials based on the feedback received from our students, the British Council, and the IDP. We have an experienced faculty who is well versed in all aspects of the test. We have dedicated staff to provide offline assistance whenever required. We provide 2 live one-on-one sessions with the faculty for student-specific feedback and doubt-solving purposes. We will have a total of 20 classes. Each class will be exhaustive and will underscore new techniques. You will be provided with in-depth material mirroring the latest test format to help you prepare and crack each module of the test. We will be focusing on all 4 skills, providing useful and unique strategies for each question type. There will be 2 full-length mock tests with detailed analysis of your performance. We will also have a live interaction focused on solving any doubts that you have. Let us take a look at the fee structure and the course contents now. The total cost would be 7,000 Indian rupees, including GST. The validity will be for 6 months. We will provide you 25 plus videos and 84 worksheets. There will be tips, strategies, and a personal review as a guideline. As a bonus, you get one-on-one speaking tests with the faculty. All students will receive a review call from my side at the end of each mock test. We keep updating our study material and teaching strategies on a regular basis based on the feedback that we receive from you. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the nuances of the IELTS. Wishing you best of luck and looking forward to interacting with all of you. Keep up the good work and keep rolling. Good luck.